Hey, what's up guys? Justin with California Grenadiers again. Doing a quick little update here. People were asking about the DVA Mechanics exterior rail. So these are them after they're installed. I did a little video about them. Just comparing side to side the generic ones that are from Van Essentials versus these ones. So as you can see, these are like actually really nice. The fitment of these is perfect. So it goes all the way to the edge, There's no extra holes. The powder coating and anodization is great. These have been on for, I want to say, about a month now. No signs of fading or anything, whereas the Van Essential ones started to fade within like a couple of weeks. But these are looking great. The nice thing too about these smaller ones that are down on the bottom, they fill the entire space, whereas the smaller ones that I had from Van Essentials, I just kind of made them work. They kind of like stopped like right at the edge of the hole for the L track, so that gave you a little bit less purchase on this outside area here if you were going to use that side or that side versus like right here in the middle, you know, where you're clamping down. So these are a lot nicer. Here's the rear door. As you can see, gap to gap filled, nice and flush, no extra holes, good powder coating. Same thing with the lower pieces there. Really just good quality, rounds out the car, and they kind of advertise better than factory. I don't know if they're necessarily better than factory. Definitely cheaper, so I guess that makes them better, because you don't have to pay as much for similar, if not a little bit better quality. The powder coating is really nice. You can see here it goes right up to the edge, So a really nice product. But I mean, it works great. It's beautiful, does the job at like half the price of what the factory pieces cost for the entire setup. So you get the uppers and the lowers, and then under the windows as a full kit. I think you can order just for under the rear windows, maybe just for the doors. I'm uncertain. Haven't been able to check out that site in a little bit. But as you can see here, it looks factory. It's a pretty good setup. Looks really good. A little side shot here. When I bought the car, I had the regular bumpers because I didn't want to pay, what was it, $800 for L-Track. That stuff also looked good, but I knew I was going to use at least under the windows. Now I've got this stuff on the side of the doors. Not sure what I'm going to use that for. Maybe I'll figure out how to mount my axe and shovel there on the side. Maybe put a piece of metal in between here, some kind of mount, so that I can mount that stuff there instead of on the tire, which is also fine, but can kind of obscure the rear. Then you got to take that off if you need to change a spare or whatever. Not a problem. Both options might work. Maybe a step of some sort. I don't know if that door panel could really support the weight of a human. Not sure what the load rating on the sheet metal is there. Yeah, if you guys come up with any other ideas of what you guys are mounting there, any suggestions, I'd be open to hear them. Because, you know, I'm always looking for more storage, especially coming up this winter. We're going to need more storage for our friends that want to go camping with us, family that wants to go camping with us. Sorry guys, I don't know how to block that thing out. I don't know who allows this many trash cans behind a grocery store. That guy tried to help me out. It was like he knew. He's like, oh, let me pull up and try to block that for him. He's videoing. Sure, you guys know my opinion of those cars now. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Check out DVA Mechanics. They make some cool little accessories for the Grenadier. Very specific fitments, good quality, good pricing, and solving some solutions. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys.